Yeah, hello everyone. Namaste to all of you. Master Jay here and welcome to my YouTube channel Jay Yoga Academy. So if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to Jay Yoga Academy for more updates about yoga. So today I will teach you the weight loss practice in the standing position. So everyone just stand on your mat, practice with me together and feet together, hands to the side, relax your shoulder, eyes closed, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Very gently open your hands, open your eyes, inhale, raise your hands up, look up, palm together, exhale, then look down. Inhale, raise your hands up, look up, exhale, then look down. Now open hand to the side, inhale, exhale to the right side. So here you have to do the side bending position. Inhale, come back, exhale to the opposite side, come back, inhale, exhale to the right, come back, inhale, exhale. So you have to do the same thing for the 10 times. Just on to the right hand, try to hold it in the last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come back, inhale, exhale to the left side. Just stay in this position, don't push your hip out, do as much you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come back, inhale, exhale, then relax your hand with the both hands up, inhale, straight hand and exhale, slowly bend to the right, center, inhale, exhale, slow, inhale, exhale to the right, come back, inhale, exhale to the left side. So the same thing you have to do it 5 to 10 times and after that try to hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale and exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale and exhale, relax hand. So here we will do some exercise for the opening shoulder. Just hands up, both hands together, you can open your legs here. Just give little stretch in your shoulder. Do it 10 to 20 times with the both hands. So this type of exercise, it will help you for reduce your hand from the side fat. Just hands down, up and down. So you can do it with one by one in the different variation. You can sit from the side like the hands up, down, both side, one by one. So do it 20 times and after that we will go for the hand rotation. This one, slow rotate your hand, straight leg and back straight. Do it 10 times. So this is the very good exercise for the opening shoulder. Slow, do it for 10 times. Good. So after that we go for the side twisting. So for that, open your leg here, open hand, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So here you can do it little bit continuous way, just right and the left side. Just one hand straight, then look back, one hand straight, look back, both side. So do it 20 times. It will help you for reduce the fat from the side. Very good. And last. So now from here we go for the more side bending position. So for that, hold your waist, inhale and exhale, slightly bend, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. This time raise your left hand up and straight over the head. Come back. Inhale and exhale. So side bending exercise asanas is very important and very helpful for reduce the side body fat. With straight hand, 5, 4, keep your hand with the head together, 2 and 1. Inhale and exhale to the left side. Remember, don't push your hip out, try to keep your both hip in same line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. So this time hold your waist and rotate your hip. So give little relax to your back. Just hip rotation 10 times each side. Opposite side, opposite rotation. Very good. Yes. So this time open hand, inhale, exhale, bend front. So when you are bending front, straight leg, back straight, open hand, shoulder level and look down. Stay in this position. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now put your left hand to the right knee here. Look up. 5, 4. You can twist more if you want. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Open chest, opposite side, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Inhale, exhale. Now turn your right leg, right foot right side and left foot left side. So you have to bend your leg at the 90-degree level. Remember your knee and ankle in the same line. So then straight leg, inhale. Bend your leg, open your hip position here and exhale, hands down, straight leg. Again inhale, slowly bend your leg, keep your back straight and exhale. So this is very good for make strength in your legs. Then down, again bend. Now here just try to hold this pose. 5, lift shoulder up, back straight. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open hand, inhale, exhale. Now bend to the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale, opposite side. Be strong with the shoulder, with the leg, with the knee. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now relax hand, take inhale and exhale. Just try to observe your body. Inhale and exhale. Very nice. So here we go for the one sequence. This is the standing sequence. Just straight your leg. Remember your both legs, both feet in a same line. Turn your right foot right side 90-degree. Bend your leg at the 90-degree level. Your left leg straight, your knee ankle align in a same line. Try to keep your back straight, open hand, inhale and slow exhale and look to the right side. Remember your both shoulder in a same line. 5, 4, what are 2, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale, slowly bend to the left side. Feel the stretch, be strong with the pose. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now go for the triangle pose, Trikonasana. Just straight hand, look up. Remember your both hands, shoulder align in the same line. If you cannot touch your hand to the floor, you can hold your leg also. Don't push your hip out too much. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now put your right hand down and straight hand over the head. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Hands down. Inhale, exhale. So now this time try to straight your both legs and put your hands to the side. This one. Straight leg, hip same line. Your both feet should be same line and look down. If you cannot hold, you can use a block or you can hold your leg also. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. This time bend your right leg 90 degree, left leg straight. Inhale, hands up, exhale. You can stay in this position and look up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. If you want, you can give a little bit relax, because we have to do the same variation for the opposite side also. So everyone be ready again. Just relax leg first and just practice with me together. Come on, open your legs, both feet same line, left foot left side, and then bend your leg to the 90 degree. Hip line same line, back straight, both hand shoulder same line. Inhale, exhale to the left side. Look it. 5, 4, palm facing down. 3, belly in. 2, 1. Inhale, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now go to the triangle pose. Look up. Try to straight hand, try to straight leg. You can hold your ankle. 5, 4, both hands shoulder level. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, bend your knee and exhale. Just be strong with the pose. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly, slowly, both hands down. Inhale, exhale. So the first, try to straight your both legs, both feet same line, both hips same line, and try to put your hands to the side. Feel the stretch. 5, do your best, your maximum. 4, make balance. 3, 2 and 1. Slowly, slowly bend your left leg 90 degree. Inhale, hands up and exhale. If you cannot make balance, you can drop your heel down also. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Just stand here, feet together, both palms together, eyes closed. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now with me, Om chanting one time. Inhale. Now rub your palm, make a hit. And place your both palm on your eyes. Just relax. Very gently open your eyes, look up at your palm. So thank you so much guys. Just practice with me. So don't forget to relaxation for the 5 minutes after this. And see you into the next practice. And if you like my video, please give your comments, likes, and don't forget to subscribe Jai Yoga Academy. Thank you so much. Your Ajay. Hari Om. Namaste.